At Servier, our most precious asset is our diversity. Diversity in background, origin, expertise, mindset is at the heart of our innovation engine. In order to fully unlock the creative power of diversity and leverage our collective intelligence, collaboration is and must be infused in the culture and the DNA of the company. Whether it is through open and transparent communication, through breaking down organizational silos, through valuing differences in opinions and mindsets, through recognizing contributions, collaboration is a critical, especially in a multicultural and global organizations like Servier. Since I joined Servier in April 2022 to lead the Oncology R&D organization, I've experienced firsthand the power of the collaborative mindset in the different teams. I joined the global team with collaborators in France, US, and Denmark, interacting with internal and external partners all over the world in a daily basis. I have been part of hundreds of open and collaborative discussions. I have witnessed people challenging status quo, proposing innovative solutions, and ideas being challenged every day. This is at the heart and which enables us to create a strong dynamic of innovation.